Are you looking for the best printer under $200? In this video we will look at some of the best printer under $200 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET2800. The Epson EcoTank ET2800 is a versatile all-in-one super tank color printer designed to enhance office productivity. This printer boasts advanced technology, such as micro-piezo heat-free technology, which ensures that your prints and documents are not only vibrant but also highly detailed. With a fast printing speed of up to 10 pages per minute, this printer is well equipped to handle large printing tasks efficiently. One of the standout features of the Epson EcoTank ET2800 is its built-in wireless connectivity, 802.11b divided by G divided by N, which allows you to print from virtually anywhere within your office. This wireless capability provides convenience and flexibility, enabling multiple users to connect to the printer without the hassle of cables or physical connections. The printer offers impressive printing resolutions of up to 5760 by 1440 dpi, ensuring that your images and text appear crisp and sharp. Whether you're producing high-quality graphics or detailed text documents, this printer can deliver professional results. Number 2. HP OfficeJet Pro 6978. The HP OfficeJet Pro 6978 is a versatile and feature-packed color inkjet photo printer designed to cater to the needs of home offices and small workgroups. This printer offers a wide range of functions to enhance productivity and convenience. The printer offers essential multifunction capabilities, including copying, scanning, and faxing, allowing users to handle a variety of tasks in one device. With wireless connectivity, users can easily print from their smartphones, tablets, or notebook PCs. This feature offers the flexibility to print documents and photos from different devices without the need for a physical connection. The printer supports automatic two-sided duplex printing and scanning, saving on paper costs and allowing for efficient document handling. It features a color touchscreen for intuitive navigation and easy access to printer settings and functions. The built-in automatic document feeder streamlines the process of scanning, copying, and faxing multiple pages, making it more efficient. Number 3. Canon PIXMA TR8620A. The Canon PIXMA TR8620A is a versatile and smart all-in-one printer designed to meet the needs of modern users. One of its standout features is the ability to ensure you never run out of ink. By connecting the printer to Alexa, you can receive notifications when your ink levels are running low. What's even more convenient is that Alexa can automatically place a smart reorder from Amazon on your behalf, making sure you always have the ink you need. The best part is that there's no subscription required for this service, offering flexibility and ease of use. In addition to its smart features, the Canon PIXMA TR8620A offers a range of capabilities, making it a handy tool for various tasks. It's a wireless 4-in-1 device, which means it can print, copy, scan, and fax, providing all-around functionality for your home or office. With a print speed of 15 pages per minute for color and 10 pages per minute for black and white, it can efficiently handle your printing needs. For added convenience, the printer has a generous paper capacity of 200 sheets, with 100 sheets in the cassette and 100 in the rear feed. This minimizes the need for frequent paper loading. The Auto two-sided printing feature helps save on paper costs and is environmentally friendly. Number 4. Brother Monochrome Laser Printer. The Brother Monochrome Laser Printer is a high-performance printing solution designed to enhance efficiency and productivity in various office and home settings. With its impressive print speeds of up to 36 pages per minute, this printer ensures that you can get more done in less time, minimizing waiting periods. One of the standout features of this printer is its 250-sheet paper capacity, which significantly reduces the need for constant paper refills. It accommodates both letter and legal-sized paper, catering to a range of document needs. Moreover, the manual feed slot offers flexibility in handling different types and sizes of paper, such as cardstock and envelopes, allowing you to produce professional-looking documents for various purposes. The Brother Monochrome Laser Printer is engineered for productivity, featuring a 50-sheet automatic document feeder that saves time when copying and scanning multi-page documents. This feature streamlines your workflow and helps you manage tasks more efficiently. Number 5. Epson Workforce Pro WF3820. The Epson Workforce Pro WF3820 is a high-performance multifunction printer designed to meet the demands of fast-paced office environments. It incorporates cutting-edge technology to enhance productivity and deliver professional quality prints. Here's an overview of its key features. The WF3820 is built for speed, thanks to precision core heat-free technology. It can deliver fast, high-volume printing with a remarkable 21 pages per minute for black and 11 pages per minute for color prints. This rapid output ensures that your documents are ready quickly, increasing overall workflow efficiency. Precision matters, and this printer excels in accurate dot placement. It utilizes DURA Bright Ultra Instant Dry Pigment inks, ensuring professional quality prints with sharp detail and vibrant colors. Whether you're printing documents or graphics, you can count on impressive results.